An efficient teacher not only instructs the children based upon the curriculum design and school's requirement but also instills the love of education. They put interest into the hearts of most of the kids. They create as many thinkers as possible. So let's watch the same thing today in this animation film.
Hello Sheena, how are you? I'm fine Tom, how are your maths classes going on? Oh very nice, I love maths. So no confusions now, you are happy with your subject. Haha, how is that possible? I always have so many confusions. Now what's your new confusion Tom? When we were small, our teachers taught that the numbers start from 1. So we used to write 1, 2, 3. पर यार जब हम बड़े क्लास में गए तो टीचर बोलता है कि नंबर्स तो 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. Now you write 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it not so confusing? Well Tom, I cannot answer your headache questions. I'm rushing to my home. Bye.
Just now, you had the conversation between two children. They were really confused about what the teacher was teaching. I feel to avoid this confusion, we need a change in our education system. Why to start from 1 when we know the whole number system is made up of digits comprising of 0 to 9? Why we cannot teach our young children, those who enter the school, that the numbers start from 0, and if you teach them from 0 to 9, naturally they can make 10 by combining the digit 1 and 0. So it will be more easier for them to understand. So this system requires a change and we need to bring the change.
Why, what happened? I'm very much clear with the topic. Today's maths topic is very confusing. Do you know? These Roman numerals, they are so confusing. So many symbols we have to remember. I for 1, V for 5, and so on. I don't quite get the point. Can you answer me? Okay, you think you are very smart. So tell me how to write 0 in Roman numeral? Oops. I never thought so.
Tom, let me make you clear one thing. If you talk about hundreds of years ago, the Romans had a system of numbers which had only 7 symbols. Each symbol had a different value and there was no symbol that was made for 0. So this is the reason the teachers don't tell you what alphabet can be placed in place of 0 when you are studying Roman numerals. I hope you are clear with it.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. You cleared my doubt. So, Tom, it's how was your class today? But again, I'm stuck. You and your confusions. Oh God. Okay, you tell me then. Fine. Now listen. मुझे पता है तुमको हमेशा problem होता है. We have so many numbers in maths. Can you tell me any number name where all the alphabets are in the perfect order? She ran away with my question. Now I will again ask it, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one question.
As usual, Tom, I know you have so many questions.
Ma'am, please tell me any number in maths where the number name has the letters in the correct alphabetical order.
Very intelligent, Tom, but I have the answer of your question. There is one number in maths in which the alphabets are placed in the correct alphabetical order and the number is 40. When you write FORTY, you see that all the alphabets are placed in the correct order and this is the only possible number in maths. I think I have cleared your doubt and all the queries of today. So Tom, you are happy now?
Oh wow, ma'am knows everything. She's so good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Now you saw in the very first video clip that how confusing it is at times for the children to understand the way the things come up in their lives as they move from one class to another. We as teachers are not puppets or slaves in the hands of traditional educational system. It's the time to change our thought process, be more logical and divergent, take a wider perspective and oscillate between uncommon content. I'll give you one more example to make you understand my thought process. It is the way I think. Some of you may agree with my point, some of you may disagree, but it doesn't matter because this is the way I think. We are being taught right from the beginning that 1 is the factor of every number. But if you talk about multiples, the very first multiple of any number is the number itself. This is what we have studied. But if I think it differently, the very first multiple it can be 0 also. Why? The whole numbers start from 0. So if I take a number 6 and try to take out its first multiple, I'll multiply the number by 0 in spite of multiplying by 1. So 6 zeros are 0. So according to me, the first multiple will be 0. So this is a way of thinking the things differently. There are a number of examples in maths that can be quoted. The only need is to envision differently, lead to innovation, and then only masterminds would come into picture. Further moving to animation film, you saw persistent quizzing from Tom. But the teacher did not lose her patience. She was so humble and confident answering Tom every time. This led to regards and admiration from Tom for her teacher. So these are few qualities which can make you an effective teacher, and you will surely turn out to be the best, and even your children will also do wonders. So think differently, act differently, create masterminds, be a master of yourself, and be humble with your students every time to be the best teacher and just win their hearts like anything. The only motive behind these type of videos is to ignite your minds through my practical knowledge in the education sector. I hope all of you are having a good learning experience on my channel. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. Promote them as much as you can so that it reaches the maximum. Thank you so much for watching my video.